Eat that 165, stuff that mother lover, make that piece of don't say that. Make that piece of trash pay for his decision. 500 sell orders. You out of your stupid mind? That's how you do a stinking falling knife. Okay, people, if you want to try to catch a falling knife, when you see negative 1500 delta, negative 600 delta, you got positive 77 delta, negative 1500 delta right there. You got 272 negative delta right there. In order to try and catch a falling knife, you really need to see large buyer, an institutional buyer, come into the market and actually try and take on the sellers. Right here, we have one single order with 88 buy contracts. If we look over here, we've got 500 aggregated volume. 88 of it was one single order. You've got 320 some aggregated volume. Okay, this is the kind of stuff, if you want to try and pick the bottoms and catch a falling knife, this is how you do it. And you try to get to a move back up to the moving average on the 5 minute. If you want to try and catch a falling knife, you have to see participation from large institutions coming into the market. 88 single order contracts is not no retail trading. 500 aggregated volume right here. This is not retail trading, that's institutions. And it looks like they are getting ready to stuff them buyers again. If those buyers start taking too much heat, they're gonna sell. If this delta does not stabilize, these buyers are going to take too much heat and they're just going to get out. We got 400 positive delta on the current 5 minute. So let me walk you through why I got in this trade. If you look at the previous 5 minute there on the right, you see 88 buyers, and then we kind of closed below a little bit. Then we had 36, 34 buyers, but we have a lot of volume being filled out on the current 5 minute. So as soon as I saw a stacked imbalance on this range chart, I went on ahead and I got in, and then I started trailing up my stop. But the reason I got in is because we had some large buyers coming in as far as single order contracts and as far as aggregated buyers coming in. You got to look at large buyers coming into the market. You just can't try and catch a falling knife just because you think it's sold off too much. As you see, I'm moving my stop up. As we keep moving up, that 165, we closed above it, so that is trapped. Those 165 sellers are trapped, so I'm moving my stop up. Then all of a sudden you'll see 500 sellers come in, and we closed above it, and I'm thinking, okay, we got them trapped as well. And then at the very top you'll see a buy imbalance, and then the very next candle you'll see a sell imbalance. Right here, the sell imbalance will start coming in. That's when I should have went on ahead and exit the trade.